Welcome! Let's dive in and solve an interesting math problem.
Read the question carefully. Grab a pencil and a calculator or tablet, and let's solve and verify the answer together.
Let's excitedly walk through the step-by-step solution of this problem.
We are given 4 raised to the power x plus 16 raised to the power x is equal to 272. Since 16 is equal to 4 squared, we can write 16 raised to the power x as 4 raised to the power 2x. So the equation becomes 4 raised to the power x plus 4 raised to the power 2x is equal to 272. Let y be equal to 4 raised to the power x. Then 4 raised to the power 2x becomes y squared. So we get y plus y squared equals 272. Rearranging gives y squared plus y minus 272 equals 0. Factoring gives y plus 17 times y minus 16 equals 0. So y equals 16 or y equals negative 17. But y is equal to 4 raised to the power x. An exponential expression with a positive base is always positive, so 4 raised to the power x cannot be negative. Therefore, we reject negative 17 and take y equals 16. Now we have 4 raised to the power x equals 16. Since 16 is 4 squared, x equals 2. Final answer, x equals 2. So, did you find the video helpful? Was your solution the same or a little different? If you liked the video, don't forget to share it with your loved ones and let them know they're on your mind. And make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos.